Hello everyone, you're welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how I make carrot stew. Like in a situation where tomatoes become costly, you can use carrot stew as an alternative stew. So let's get right started. Here are my cooking ingredients. Here I have some carrot. This carrot has been cleaned and washed with salt. Here I have some cooked meat. I just brought them out from the freezer, so I'll be frying those meat in some oil. Here I have some onions. These onions I'll be using in frying the meat, and these other 3 onions I will use in cooking the stew. And here are some garlic and ginger, which I also will be blending together with carrot. Also here I have some tatashe, these bell peppers, red bell peppers. Here I have smoked fish. This smoked fish part is optional. You can exclude it in your own recipe. Here are the spices I'll be using in making the stew. I'll be blending the carrots in batches because my blender will not be able to blend everything at once, and also I'll be adding some water to help my blender in blending. The next thing I'll do now is to cook down the water in the carrot because I don't want to fry this carrot for so long. I'll cover the pot until it starts to boil. At this point that the carrot has started boiling, I'll go ahead and leave the pot open, just like when you're boiling your tomatoes. The carrot has cooked out more than 80% of the water which is in it. So I'm going ahead now to fry just like when you fry your stew. I'll go ahead and add back the oil with which I fried the beef. So I'll allow the oil to gently heat up before frying the onions in it. So I'll go ahead and add all the chopped onions into the oil. Next I will add my spices, the bay leaf, thyme, this is a nutmeg powder, black pepper, curry powder, this is smoked paprika. I'll give everything a good stir to combine very well, and I'll fry until they release their fragrance into the oil before going ahead to pour back the carrot and the pepper mix. So guys, tell me in the comment section what you think about this recipe. Leave me a comment in the comment section. I would love to know your opinion about this recipe. When it has fried up to this point, the next thing I'll be adding are my chicken seasoning powder. So I'll go ahead and add back the fried beef. I'm going ahead to add all the fish, the smoked fish. I've already deboned the smoked fish. I'll give it a nice stir, gently stirring it to avoid breaking the whole fish. At this point, I'm going ahead to add water. Remember, if you have your broth, you add broth instead of water. Okay with the water, so I'm adding more water, and I will also be adding another protein sauce. Guess now. But yeah, continue to watch the video so that you know that protein sauce, which I also will be adding to my stew. I'm adding back the remaining smoked paprika. So I'm adding some salt to enhance the taste the more. I'll give everything a nice stir. So I'll go ahead now to add the remaining protein. Yes, I have some boiled egg here. Then I'm going to adjust the water in this. I'll cover the pot and allow everything to marry together for another 5 minutes. So yummy, delicious. See how beautiful the color is. So go ahead and recreate this. Tell me in the comment section if you're going to recreate this. If you're going to try this out, let me know in the comment section below. And please give the video likes, give the video a huge thumbs up, like the video so that the video can be seen by more eyes. I would really appreciate it, guys. And please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? It will really be a way of you to support my channel, a way of you to support what I'm doing. And also, very important, when you subscribe, hit that bell icon beside the subscribe button. It's very important so that you don't get to miss any of my amazing food episodes. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and to my returning subscribers, you guys have been doing amazingly well for me, coming back to always watch my videos. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Bye.